Agradaa kunu, I appreciate you. Agradaa kunu, I appreciate you. Say ultimate that more money we ho. Ultimate that more money we ho. Ultimate that bronsam we ho. Ultimate that bosom we ho. Ultimate that idea we ho. Ultimate that kromfo we ho. Nyame Steven was say don't man Agradaa, she's nobody. She's nobody, but all my followers, I guess that they just want me to warm up Agradaa kakra. Let's appreciate and acknowledge Agradaa kunu. Because me say na Agradaa ya me yiranka or romantically, oh my goodness, god damn, or romantically divorced. Listen, it's not a joke. I have zero time for foolishness. Yes, I do. I'm sorry. Yes, I do not have time for foolishness. I'm sorry. I do not. I'm telling America, I'm again. I'm Rolls Royce, I'm Bentley, I'm Empower, I got numerous of cars. I got a lot.
Hello guys, welcome back to Twene Jonas. Please, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification, like and share. Thank you. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, I love you. Thank you for keeping in touch with my content. So popular Ghanaian activist, Twene Jonas has recently shared his thoughts about Evangelist popularly known as Nana Agradaa, on the her issue with most Ghanaians. And Chibiana Abetu just say Unia Ekoye Yedene court is enam fraud bia oko fraud her church members, and later oko spend time prison, later about out na sa action na edene call prison na about out no ware branding no. So Twene Jonas came on live to address the issue and her actions and her acts. Now most of the things he said, he was referring to Agrada's husband. I would like us to watch the video. As I said, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Agradaa kunu, I appreciate you. Agradaa kunu, I appreciate you. Say ultimate that more money we ho. Ultimate that more money we ho. Ultimate that bronsam we ho. Ultimate that bosom we ho. Ultimate that idea we ho. Ultimate that kromfo we ho. Nyame Steven was say don't man Agradaa, she's nobody. She's nobody, but all my followers, I guess that they just want me to warm up Agradaa kakra. Let's appreciate and acknowledge Agradaa kunu. Because me say na Agradaa ya me yiranka or romantically, oh my goodness, god damn, or romantically divorced. Listen, it's not a joke. I have zero time for foolishness. Yes, I do. I'm sorry. Yes, I do not have time for foolishness. I'm sorry. I do not. I'm telling America, I'm again. I'm Rolls Royce, I'm Bentley, I'm Empower, I got numerous of cars. I got a lot.